So this video is about how to put the doors into our houses, and you'll notice that this is my original sketch, and I've got a door into the mechanical room, and here I'm going to have some openings for the kitchen. And this isn't a bedroom down here, this is a dining room, so kitchen, dining room. I'm going to have a 5-foot wide opening here, and I'm going to have door into the master bedroom and bath and such as that. One thing I wanted to point out, you'll notice that this is the area where the bathroom is on my house, and you'll notice that it's quite a lot different here now. The process of design, whether it's a house or whatever you're building, is about change, and things do get different appearances. Your design of your house will probably look a bit different than the design with your sketch, so that's okay. That's not a problem. So here we go. I'm going to take a look at this Word document again. I'm going to scroll down here, and we're going to look at Windows a little bit later on, but first we're going to go to here, and this is the Affordable House Requirements cheat sheet. It's page number 23 in the house project plan, and I highlighted it, and it says the primary entrance door shall be a 6-panel steel-clad door with a half-moon light. The passage doors, including the full bathroom, shall be 36 inches wide, and if needed, a secondary bathroom door can be 32 inches. So all the doors in the house, the entry door and bedroom and bathroom door for the primary full bathroom, have to be 36 inches wide. And if you have a secondary bathroom like a half bath or a 3/4 bath, those can be 32 inches wide. So let's go to our project here, and in order to start putting in doors, you have to go to the ribbon to the Architecture tab, and you're going to click on Door. And let's work on the entry doors first. So the next thing, once I have the door open, I'm going to go to where it says Load Family, and then here is the folder for doors. I'm going to double click on that, and you get a list of doors, and these are called curtain walls here. Those are glass walls a lot of times, and then you have some different doors here, but we're going to also click on this residential folder, and now at the top we have exterior doors, and when you select any of these, you'll see a preview over here on the right hand side. So I'm just going to go down, and that's a side light. That's no good. Side light again. This is a exterior door, single entry, half arch wood. Wood means that it's made out of wood. Here's a exterior door, half with a flat rather than a arched top on it. Then you get garage doors, and then there's interior doors down here. But we want to stay with exterior. And there's not a lot of choices here. So in this case for us, we're just going to go with this one. And I'm going to click on that, or I'll say open. Sorry. Here we go. Once I get the open, then I get to this chart, and I look for the size door I want, which is 36 by 84. 36 is the width. 84 is the height, and they tell you the width in inches and height in feet right here. There are taller doors. Sometimes there's 8-foot doors, but we're just going to go with the 36 by 84, and I'm going to say OK. Now I'll zoom in on this area down here, and my door is now attached to my cursor. And one of the neat things here is that when I slide back and forth, I can look at the bottom of the screen and I see some temporary dimensions, and when I slide back and forth they change, and if I want the door centered, which in this case I do, I just have it the numbers be the same. Now another thing you can do, the door opens into the house. That's just a requirement of doors. The other thing that I can do is if I pull the cursor down closer to the exterior, the door flips to the outside, or if I push it up, it flips up. And then if I wanted to change the swing, in other words, right now this is hinged on the left hand side, I can just push the space bar and it changes the swing to the opposite side. So you can put it in there either to the left or to the right, whichever you want. And you can accent it wherever you want in the wall. I just happen to want mine to be there. Now the back door, similar kind of thing. I'm going to put it in this back wall. I'm going to flip the swing, and you'll notice also here, I want to point out something. There's always a jamb. In other words, I don't put the door right up against the wall like this. It has to stay away from it by some distance, and there is like little temporary lines there, I guess is the best way to put it, to show the edge of it. So I'm going to put it a couple inches away from the wall, and I just click and drop it in there. So now it is attached. I've got my front and rear door in the house. Okay, back to load family, because I'm going to do interior doors. So load family on the ribbon, and doors, residential, and then we're going to go down to interior doors. So here we got door interior, double glass, full wood. I don't want a double door there. That might be an appropriate door for like going into a dining room or something like that. And then this one is going to be a double door again, another double door. And then we get our single doors. And this is a 1 panel, and then 2 panels, and 3 panels vertical, and 4 panels, and more. We can use, basically you can choose any of these doors that you want. You can use a glass door if you like, but you wouldn't want that in the bedroom. You wouldn't want it certainly in the bathroom either. So I'm just going to choose a simple 4-panel wood door here for mine. Again, you can choose whatever you want. I have open, and then I want a 36-inch by 80-inch door. Interior doors are typically 6 foot 8 inches tall. So I'm going to click on that one. You can also get them in 84s. It depends on the height of your ceilings in your house. But we're going to use the 36 by 80. And I'll hit OK. Now I'll come in and I'll start putting in my doors once the little spinning thing stops. And remember, doors always open into bedrooms and bathrooms and such as that. So I'm going to put this one in, this upper master bedroom here. And you want to keep the door swing against a wall. So for instance here, I'm going to hit the space bar just to move this one in, or change the swing, sorry. And I'll put this up against the wall. So that is the bedroom door there. I'll put the bedroom door down here, and I'm going to reverse this one. It is swinging into the door, into the room. So I just click on it. Then the bathroom door, just to kind of keep things even, I guess. I don't know if it's even or not, but I'm just going to put that bathroom door right there. Now over here, my utility room, this is going to be where my washer and dryer and water heater and all that stuff goes. Same thing over here. Put that one in. And then I need to do something with this area in here. So this is going to be my kitchen and dining room area. That's what this space is designated for, is kitchen and dining room. So I want to go back to my architecture tab here, and I'm going to put in what are called wall openings. And there's no door on a wall opening, it's just a big gap. So I go to the word component, I select load family, and down towards the bottom here is openings. So if you want to scroll this up just so you can see it, there's openings, and I say open, and it says opening with trim, opening. Let's click on this just to see what it looks like. This looks just like a passage window or a hole in the wall. And there's another opening with no trim. There's a door, opening, round, square, opening with casing around it. And then there is an opening that has an arch, and that's kind of neat. So I'm going to say open. And what that does is it puts the opening on to my cursor, right? You can see it maybe there. And I want, this is over here in the Properties Manager, it says Passage Opening Elliptical Arch 36 by 84. And if I click down on this, it should give me different size openings. And Passage Opening Elliptical Arch 60 by 84, so that's a 5 foot by 84 inch tall opening. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm just going to put that right in here. I can put it down in this area, and then I'm going to put another one down towards the bottom here. Let's see. This doesn't have to be as big though. So I'll click on this, and then, oops, I blew out of it. So go back to component, load family, opening, there we go, elliptical arch. I'm going to change the size of this. This is the opening going into the dining room, so remember I want to keep my opening at least 36 inches. I'll keep it the same height as the first one. So I'm going to go with 36 by 84, and we'll put this opening more centered in the wall. It's just a guess right now. So there is my opening.